Dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you have this error message, here you can see it, storage space running out. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is to click on this notification and you will see here cleaner. So just choose files you want to clean. For example, I choose everything: cache files, absolute files. Here you can see that we don't have any absolute files, packages, residuals, and just click on cleanup. It will clean to us about 700 megabytes. So here you can see that our cleaning finished, and also this is a way how you can fix this error. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.